Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can add age range on your Facebook dating profile. Maybe you want to add an age range to your Facebook dating but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can add age range on your Facebook profile. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. Once you open it, simply tap on this heart button and then you'll be directed into this Facebook meeting. And here, tap on this settings icon at the upper right corner of your screen and you'll see in here the ideal match. And then in here, you'll see the age range. Simply tap on this age range. And as you can see in here, we have here how old are they. And here it begins with 18 and then in here it ends up to age 100 plus. Let's just say you're looking for at least 30. After that, you can turn on this if you want it to be strong preference. And then tap on the save button at the upper right corner of your screen. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can add age range on your Facebook dating, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can add age range on your Facebook dating profile, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.